In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in ActiveCampaign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to safely remove a contact from your account. First, make sure you're logged in to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a menu with different sections for things like campaigns, automations, and so on. What you want to click on is the Contacts section. This is where all of your subscribers, leads, or customers are listed. When the Contacts page opens, you'll see a table or list with all of the contacts in your account. Take a moment to find the specific contact you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate them by name or email address. Once you've found the right person, look to the left of their name for a small checkbox. Go ahead and click that checkbox to select the contact. You can select just one contact or multiple contacts at once if you're doing some cleanup. As soon as at least one contact is selected, a new set of options will appear at the top of the list. One of these options will be Delete. Click on the Delete option at the top. When you do this, ActiveCampaign will not remove the contact immediately. Instead, it will open a pop-up window asking you to confirm that you really want to delete the selected contact or contacts. This extra step is important because once a contact is fully deleted, you can lose their engagement history, tags, and other saved information. In the pop-up window, you'll see an acknowledgement checkbox. Read the message carefully so you understand what data will be removed or affected. Then, tick the acknowledgement checkbox to confirm that you understand and that you do want to proceed with the deletion. After you've checked that box, you'll see an option to archive. In many setups, archiving is used as a safer, reversible alternative to a hard delete. It effectively removes the contact from your active lists and counts without permanently erasing all of their historical data right away. Click Archive to complete the process. Once you've done this, the contact will no longer appear as an active contact in your account. That's all there is to it. Open the Contacts section, select the contact with the checkbox, choose Delete, acknowledge the warning, and finish by archiving the contact.